Here's a tutorial on how to do the finger arounds. Let's start with the index around. Start in the middle index slot and twiddle your fingers to make the pen bob up and down. We will use this motion so the pen can do the around. Let's first practice the release. Twiddle your fingers to give the pen momentum. Once the pen has enough momentum going up, release the pen so it can go around the index finger. Once you're comfortable with this, try practicing so that you can get it all in one motion. Once you can get the pen over in one motion, try catching the pen as it comes around. To catch the pen, after you release the pen, extend your finger back to catch the pen on the back side. This motion is very quick, so you will have to time it well in order to catch it. This motion is similar to the thumb around, except you don't have the extra finger to help you push the pen around. If you are having trouble with catching the index around, you can actually rotate your hand as it spins around to make the pen easier to catch. Now here's the index around one more time. Now let's move on to the middle around. The twiddling motion is similar to the index around, but now you have to keep your index finger extended. You can also do the middle around with your index finger curled in, but it's a bit harder. To do the middle around, start by doing a similar motion to the index around by twiddling your fingers and releasing the pen. Then try catching the pen on the back side. Once you're comfortable with the middle around, it's time to move on to the ring around. This one is also similar to the index and middle arounds, but this one will require the most practice to build pinky finger strength. Start by doing the same twiddling motion while keeping your middle and index fingers extended. Now release the pen and try catching it on the back side. Once you get this down, it's time for the pinky round. This trick is different from the other rounds because you will be going in the other direction. To do the pinky round, start by placing the pen in the ring pinky slot with your palm facing up. Now twiddle your ring and pinky fingers until there's enough momentum to release the pen so it can go around your pinky. As the pen goes around, extend your pinky finger a little bit and then curl it back in to catch the pen. It's best to think of the pinky round as if you're trying to throw the pen around your pinky finger. I think it's best to learn the pinky round horizontally rather than learning it vertically. Once you get good enough at the pinky round, you can start doing it vertically, just like the other arounds. Here's the motion of the pinky round one more time. And that's how you do all the finger arounds.